Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the relations between roots and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Relations between roots and coefficients of coefficients of a quadratic equation of a quadratic equation. So we know quadratic equation means it is a equation in the degree 2. So we first, before going this one, we recall the things. The general form of a quadratic equation is general form of a quadratic equation is this one you already studied in exercise 3.9. Equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers, that is belongs to R. It is the general form of a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation, so we have two roots. You know, in the online doubt clearance section, we told what is roots and what is the solution. So if alpha and beta are the roots, எதுக்கு 0 ஆனா if alpha and beta are the roots, then sum of the roots it is denoted by roots na இதோட வேல்யூ x க்கு பதிலா சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றப்ப you will get the answer as 0. இப்போ 2,3 ரூட்ஸ் னு கொடுத்தோம்னா அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல 2 னு சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்றப்ப உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் 0 னு வரும். அந்த மாதிரி வந்தா அந்த நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு பேரு ரூட்ஸ். சோ சம் ஆஃப் த ரூட்ஸ் ஆல்பா பி நீ கொடுத்திருக்கிறதுல எல்லாம் ஜெனரலா கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி we have to read it as alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta, this is given by minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. The short form is, here the coefficient of x is in the general form it is minus b. So minus b divided by coefficient of x square, it is a. The short form is minus b by a. Next one, product of the roots. Product of the roots, it is given by alpha beta. Product of the roots comma alpha beta, it is given by constant term divided by coefficient of constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, that is constant term is c, coefficient of x square is c. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is one result. Alpha beta equal to c by a. This is another one result. This one you already studied in the exercise 3.9. Using these two results, now we are going to write some of the formulas including this term alone. So next one, next side heading, some results involving alpha and beta. alpha beta alpha comma beta and comma alpha plus beta and alpha beta. These formulas we already studied in the algebra using AB. AB use பண்ணி எழுதிருப்பீங்க. Everything we are converting to alpha beta. So first one alpha minus beta, that is equal to square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. So if a quadratic equation is given, means we can easily find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So using these two values, you have to write everything in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So I take some of the terms from exercise and example. Some relative creative sums also asked in this chapter. So for that also I take it. If you understand these things, you can easily formulate the expressions for the remaining one. Next one, alpha squared plus beta squared. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole squared minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha squared beta squared is written in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Third one, alpha squared minus beta squared. So this can be written as alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. From the first one, alpha minus beta, we can easily find by using this formula. Here you substitute that value. Fourth one, alpha, this is square, we finished. Next, alpha cube plus beta cube. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Fifth one, plus v, okay, minus alpha cube minus beta cube. This can be written as alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. Everything in these formulas in algebra you studied by using A and B. இத ஃபுல்லா நான் ஆல்பா பீட்டாக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கிற ஆன்சர், எனக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய ஆன்சர் வந்து ஒன்லி ஆல்பா பிளஸ் பீட்டா ஆல்பா பீட்டால மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி ஐ கன்வெர்ட் எவ்ரிதிங். சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன், alpha 4 plus beta power 4. This can be written as alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. This is same like first one. This is second one, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Second result, I apply that the same result for alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. இங்க உள்ளர alpha beta ன்னு இருக்கிறதுல I convert into alpha square beta square. Seventh one, plus, okay, now minus alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. For this the answer is alpha square plus beta square, alpha plus beta, alpha minus beta. So say seventh, this is all up to 4 degree 4. We can use these expressions. Now for fractions, இந்த மாதிரி கொடுத்திருந்தா 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take alpha beta as LCM. Cross multiply பண்ணுங்க, beta plus alpha. This can be written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Ninth one, alpha by beta. இது ஃபுல்லா உனக்கு வந்து it is not given in the book, but in the exercise sum we are using these results. உனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இது கிளியரா இருக்கட்டும்னு உனக்கு எழுதிட்டு இருக்கேன். alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Again you cross multiply. Take alpha beta as LCM. Cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா alpha into alpha, alpha square, beta into beta, beta square. From the first one you are From the second result you are getting value for alpha square plus beta square. அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி அந்த வேல்யூ தூக்கி இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுங்க. 10th one alpha cube by beta plus beta cube by alpha. Again the same thing, take LCM, alpha beta and cross multiply. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. We know the value in the before results. We are having the expression for alpha power 4 and beta power 4. Find out and substitute here. So using these results we are going to do the sums in the exercise. So once again we recall the results. If a quadratic equation is given means we can easily find alpha plus beta, sum of the roots minus b by a formula, product of the roots c by a. Using this one we have to apply that alpha plus beta and alpha beta for these expressions. இது கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி எடுத்து அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். So alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. அதுக்கு ஒரு formula within square root. இது whole square கொடுத்ததனால we are using square root. Next alpha square plus beta square. For this alpha இந்த மேல இருக்க பவரை விட்டுருங்க. Alpha plus beta bring it as whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Next alpha square minus beta square. அது split பண்ண தெரியும். A square minus b square form. Next alpha cube plus beta cube. This is the formula. Alpha cube minus beta cube. இது ரெண்டும் ஈஸி தான். பிளஸ் இருக்கிற இடத்துல பிளஸ், இந்த இடத்துல மாத்தி போட்டீங்கன்னா you will get the answer. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. இந்த second resultல alpha பதிலா alpha square யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க, பீட்டாக்கு பதிலா beta square போட்டீங்கன்னா you will get the result. Next alpha power 4 minus beta power 4. So substitute this one. Okay. Now we come to the exercise 3.40. So exercise 3.14. First question. The question is, write each of the following expressions in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. First one, write each of the following expression in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. கொடுத்திருக்கிற expressionல நம்ம எப்படி first 10 எழுதணுமோ அதே மாதிரி we have to use only alpha plus beta, alpha beta மட்டும்தான் ரிசல்ட்ல வரணும். First one, alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha. This is the question. So don't continue after that. Come to the next line. அதுக்குள்ளே equal sign போட்டு எழுதக்கூடாது. Question, alpha by 3 beta plus beta by 3 alpha. Now take LCM. For the denominators we are having 3 alpha 3 beta into 3 alpha. We can take 1 3 for 3 beta, or you can take like this also. இது ஈஸியா இருந்தா you can follow this method. For numbers we are using, take 3 outside. So alpha comma beta. So LCM is எல்லாத்தையும் multiply பண்ணணும். That is the formula. So 3 alpha beta. First numerator is alpha. Write as it is. Denominator compare பண்ணுங்க. 3 in the first denominator you are having 3. In the LCM also you are having 3. B alpha is missing in the first denominator. So write it as alpha. Plus second one numerator beta. Beta எழுதிக்கோங்க. Compare the denominator. 3 alpha இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 3 alpha இருக்கு. Missing term is beta. So write it as beta. This can be written as alpha square plus beta square by 3 alpha beta. The question is, you have to write express each term in terms of alpha plus beta only, alpha beta. So in the result first, in the second one you are having alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by 3 alpha beta. So this is the expression. The answer you are getting. So the answer is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by 3 alpha beta. So ஒரு explain பண்ணிடுறேன். The denominator is 3 beta 3 alpha. So for that you have to take LCM. But don't take 9. Number 9 எடுத்து செய்ய வேண்டாம். You can write inside like this. I think this will be easy for you. 3 common எடுத்தோம்னா you are getting alpha beta. அப்ப LCM equal to you can write it as 3 alpha beta. This chapter is, from this chapter they will ask 5 mark questions, important chapters. So 3 alpha beta. So take LCM as 3 alpha beta. Compare the first denominator and LCM. Numerator alpha you write alpha. If a missing term you have to write it in the numerator. அப்ப compare the denominator 3 beta இருக்கு, இங்கேயும் 3 beta இருக்கு. LCM லயே விட்டு போன term alpha. அப்ப சைடுல alpha எழுதிக்கோங்க. அடுத்ததுல numerator beta எழுதிக்கோங்க. Denominator 3 alpha, missing term beta. So write it and simplify. Use that results, that means it is easy for you to do the sums. Second subdivision, the question is 1 by alpha squared beta plus 1 divided by beta squared alpha. The same thing, you have to simplify the denominator. So you can take it as alpha squared beta comma beta squared alpha. ரெண்டுக்கு எந்த டேர்ம் காமனா இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தா you can take alpha beta or alpha வெளியில எடுத்துக்கோங்க. That means you are getting alpha வெளியில, alpha least power 1. So take alpha. அப்ப this will become alpha beta by beta square. Again you take it as beta outside. அப்ப remaining term will be alpha comma beta. அப்ப LCM equal to multiply everything. Alpha is repeated 2 times, you can write it as alpha square. Beta is repeated 2 times, so alpha square beta square. Take that LCM here. So alpha square beta square. Numerator 1. So we can no need to write 1. Missing term we can write it. In the first denominator alpha square. LCM also you are having alpha square. Beta, here beta power 1, here beta square. 1 beta is missing, so write that beta here. Next plus, write it as plus symbol. Compare the denominators. Beta square இருக்கு, beta square இருக்கு. இங்க alpha square இருக்கு. 1 alpha is missing, so write it as b alpha. So this can be written as alpha first one. So alpha plus beta divided by alpha square beta square. LCM எடுத்து செஞ்சீங்கன்னா it is easy for you. Don't take cross multiplication. எப்பயும் cross multiplication எடுக்காதீங்க. LCM, use LCM. Next, third subdivision. This can be also written as alpha plus beta. Instead of alpha squared beta squared, you can write it as alpha beta whole square. நமக்கு எழுத வேண்டிய term வந்து alpha beta ல தான் இருக்கணும். Alpha plus beta, alpha beta. So you can write it as alpha beta whole square. Okay, third subdivision. 3 alpha minus 1 into 3 beta minus 1. 3 beta minus 1. For this we have to multiply. This can be written as multiply பண்ணுங்க usual. So 3 alpha into 3 beta, you can write it as 9 alpha beta. Again 3 alpha வச்சு multiply பண்ணனும். So you can write it as minus 3 alpha. இந்த இடத்துல multiply பண்றப்ப minus 3 beta. Minus into minus, you can write it as plus 1. This is the product you know. அதனால ஒரு ஸ்டெப் நான் ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிருக்கேன். So 3 3s are 9 alpha beta. Next 3 alpha வச்சு minus 3 alpha, minus 1 is minus 3 beta, minus into minus plus. This can be written as 9 alpha beta. From the second and the third term you take minus 3 outside. Appa remaining will be 3 plus beta plus 1. So the expression contains only the terms alpha beta, alpha plus beta. So this is our answer. Fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision. Alpha plus beta. Sorry, alpha plus 3 divided by beta plus beta plus 3 divided by alpha. alpha plus 3 by beta plus beta plus 3 by alpha. Now you have to take LCM. The LCM, in the denominator there is no common factor, so we can take it as alpha beta. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணுங்க. Alpha into alpha plus 3 plus beta into beta plus 3. Common factor இருந்தா you can take prime factorization. நம்ம போன சம்ல செஞ்ச மாதிரி சைடுல செய்யலாம். No common factor means you can use cross multiplication. That is equal to that in fraction you studied this method. இப்போ உள்ளர கொண்டு வாங்க. Alpha square plus 3 alpha plus beta square plus 3 beta whole divided by alpha beta. This arrange பண்ணனும். So take it as alpha square plus beta square plus 3 alpha plus 3 beta whole divided by alpha beta. That is equal to alpha square plus beta square, or you can write the alpha square plus beta square can be whole square plus this one we make it as one group. Another one you can take 3 outside, alpha plus beta whole divided by alpha beta. Using the result, this can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 3 into alpha plus beta whole divided by alpha beta. So this is our answer. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 3 into alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Okay, next one. Second question, first solution. In the second question, they give the roots of the equation. They give one equation 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0 are alpha and beta. Find the value of, they give some of the expressions, we have to find the value for that one. So first we take it as the given equation is, the given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. So comparing, we have to find the sum of the roots, product of the roots, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 2, coefficient of x square, b coefficient of x minus 7, constant term c equal to 5. Given alpha and beta are the roots, since alpha and beta are the roots, alpha and beta are the roots, sum of the roots comma alpha plus beta minus b by a, that is minus b. Minus b means the answer is minus of b value is minus 7, so write within the bracket by a is 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. So alpha plus beta equal to 7 by 2. Next you find the product of the roots. Product of the roots alpha beta. Product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a, that is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term is here, it is 5, so 5 by 2. This is the value for alpha beta. So ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, you have the alpha beta roots ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So கொடுத்திருக்கிற இந்த two informations you have to it is easy to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. இப்போ we come to the first subdivision. In the first subdivision they give find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So take it as LCM, that is equal to cross LCM, you can take it as alpha beta. Cross multiply பண்ணுங்க, there is no term in the denominator, so you can cross multiply beta plus alpha. இதை இங்கிட்டு cross multiply பண்ணுங்க, alpha 1 into alpha alpha. This can be written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta value is, we are getting the answer as 7 by 2. So numerator 7 by 2. Denominator alpha beta value is 5 by 2. So I write it as 5 by 2. We divide, that is 7 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. For the denominator write it as slash, that is equal to 7 by 2. Instead of division you write it as multiplication, write the reciprocal, that is 2 by 5. Cancel this 2 and this 2, the answer will be 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Therefore 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to 7 by 5. This is the answer for the first subdivision. Now second subdivision. The second subdivision is alpha by beta and beta by alpha. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Here also there is no common factor in the denominator, so we can cross multiply. Take alpha beta LCM and cross multiply alpha beta. Above first one numerator it is alpha, so write it as alpha. Comparing the LCM, alpha is missing, so again you write it as alpha. Next one numerator beta, missing term, while comparing with the LCM it is beta. So this can be written as alpha squared plus beta squared by alpha beta. We have one value only for the expression alpha plus beta and alpha beta, not for alpha squared plus beta squared. So we have to use the result, that can be written as alpha beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta whole divided by alpha beta. Cancel, numerator la or alpha beta irukku, denominator la or alpha beta irukku, cancel பண்ணலாம்னா பண்ண கூடாது. cancel பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியும் பின்னாடியும் plus minus இருக்க கூடாது. So you have to simplify the numerator. Alpha plus beta value is, it is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta value 5 by 2 whole divided by alpha beta value 5 by 2. So this can be written as 49 by 4 minus 2 get cancelled, the remaining term 5. I write within the square bracket divided by 5 by 2. I bring the denominator to the numerator like division. திருப்பி அதுவே போட்டுட்டு இருக்க வேண்டாம், you write it as 5 by 2. This can be written as 49 by 4 minus 5. Instead of division you write it as multiplication, cross multiplication 5. இது reciprocal எழுதுனீங்கன்னா it is 2 by 5. This can be written as 49. For 5 there is no denominator, so you take 4 as LCM. அப்ப cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா minus 20 into 2 by 5. Again this can be written as 29 by 4. Subtract பண்ணுங்க, 49 minus 20, 29 by 4 into 2 by 5. Into 2 by 5. Now you cancel this 2 and this 4. So the answer will be 29 by 10. This is the answer here. Therefore alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to 29 by 10. Now third subdivision. The question is alpha plus beta by beta plus alpha plus 2 divided by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 divided by alpha plus 2. Once again check the question. So alpha plus 2 divided by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 divided by alpha plus 2. In the denominator there is no common factors. So take the two terms as product of the two terms as the product for LCM. So alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. ஏன் முதல்ல ஆல்ஃபா தான் எடுக்கணுமா? முதல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம் இஸ் பீட்டா plus 2 தானே டினாமினேட்டர்ல அதை எடுக்கலாம்னா எடுத்துக்கலாம். இந்த ஆல்ஃபா பீட்டான்னு அப்படியே சொன்னதுனால I take it as alpha plus 2 first. So in the denominator there is no common factor, so you can cross multiply. In the first numerator you already have alpha plus 2. Cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா again you are getting another one alpha plus 2. Next in the second numerator beta plus 2. இதுல இருந்து இங்கிட்டு missing term in the LCM is beta plus 2. So again you have to multiply. Cross multiplication we can say cross multiplication or missing term in the LCM. Again you have to multiply. This can be written as alpha plus beta whole square, alpha plus 2 whole square plus beta plus 2 whole square. Beta plus 2 whole square. In the last line you are having alpha plus 2 whole square plus beta plus 2 whole square whole divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. This can be, now you have to expand for alpha plus 2. So this can be written as alpha square a square plus 2 alpha beta 2 alpha plus 2 into alpha into 2 plus 2 square plus beta square plus 2 into 2ab 2 into beta into 2 plus 2 square whole divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. This can, now you have to simplify this one. So alpha square plus 2 to 4 alpha plus 4 plus beta square plus 4 beta plus 4 whole divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. That is equal to, you bring the group the terms together, alpha square plus beta square plus 4 alpha plus 4 beta plus 4 plus 4 8 whole divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. This can be again written as alpha square beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square. எழுதுறப்போ மார்ஜின் கிட்ட இருந்து எழுதுங்க, அப்பதான் ஏன்னா நிறைய இருக்கும். whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Again from that next two terms you can, next group you can take 4 outside, 4 into alpha plus beta, last one 8 whole divided by alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. In the denominator also you can multiply. Denominator you multiply and symmetry. So no need to write again the same terms. So we can multiply. That is alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 4. Again this can be written as alpha plus beta, numerator we cannot simplify, so alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 8 whole divided by, denominator you can write it as, sorry, alpha square alpha beta 2 alpha 2 beta plus this is alpha beta, I write it as alpha square, this is alpha beta, so write it as alpha into beta, alpha beta, alpha beta, take 2 outside, alpha plus beta again plus 4. So now the given expression is converted in the terms involving the terms alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Now you substitute the value for everything. Alpha plus beta you can write it as 7 by 2 whole square. This is, we are now I am substituting the values for the numerator. So I write it as equal to here. Margin கிட்டன்னு எழுதுங்க. Minus 2 into alpha beta value is 5 by 2. So write it as 5 by 2. Plus alpha beta again the value is 7 by 2. So 4 into 7 by 2. Plus 8. Whole divided by, the denominator we have to substitute. For alpha beta we have to write it as 5 by 2 plus 2 into alpha plus beta 7 by 2 plus 4. So this can be written as 7 by 2, alpha plus beta 7 by 2, alpha beta 5 by 2, everything denominator, yeah, there are the denominator also you substitute the value. So you have to simplify the numerator, 49 by 4 minus 2 get cancelled, the remaining term is minus 5 plus 2 and 4 get cancelled, the remaining term is 14 plus 8 whole divided by 5 by 2, you write as it is 5 by 2, 2 get cancelled, so plus 7 plus 4. So again you simplify the numerator, 49 by 4 minus 14 22, so simplifying the answer is plus is greater plus 70 whole divided by 5 by 2 write as it is plus 7 plus 4 11, ரெண்டுக்கும் காமனா தான் எழுதணும். So here you write it the equal sign, here you write the equal sign. Now no need to write it numerator denominator, we write it in the form of division. So this can be written as 49 by 4 plus 17 whole divided by 5 by 2 plus 11. It is easy for you, simplify within the one line. Now take 4 as the LCM. So 49 plus 68 divided by, again here you take it 2 as LCM, 5 plus cross multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 22. This can be written as, adding the answer is 107 117 117 by 4 divided by 27 by 2. So everything we simplified, so again we convert into the multiplication, 117 divided by 4, instead of division you write it as multiplication, write the reciprocal, that is 2 by 27. The answer is 2 and 4 and get cancelled, 2 times, so 170, 2 27s are 54. So therefore alpha plus 2 by beta plus 2 plus beta plus 2 divided by alpha plus 2 equal to 117 by 54. So this is the answer.